In 2019, NJDOT released updated specifications for special provisions for state aid projects. This video series will review changes made to Section 401, Hot Mix Asphalt Courses. This third video in the series reviews the changes to Specification 401-03-08I core samples. This specification outlines requirements for the independent testing agencies or laboratories which conduct tests on hot mix asphalt core samples. Laboratories must now do the following. Use the HMA Core Sampling Plan form to determine the location of the asphalt cores. Disclose the contents of the HMA Core Sampling Plan with the contractor to assist in the construction schedule. Fill the coring holes with cold patching material or HMA in maximum lifts of 4 inches. Provide the quality control core testing results to the contractor in a timely manner. A laboratory or independent testing agency is selected by the local public agency or RE to perform quality assurance sampling, testing, and analysis. The selected laboratory must meet all NJDOT criteria, which can be found on the Local Aid Resource Center website. The lab will play a big role in ensuring that state aid projects meet all NJDOT specifications and requirements. The HMA Core Sampling Plan will help the lab determine the random locations for coring. The random location functions in the form can be rerun to resolve any conflicts and physical limitations of the lot, like utility conflicts. Labs will share the HMA Core Sampling Plan with the contractor to help develop the construction schedule. The lab will drill sample cores at least 12 hours after the contractor finishes paving a hot mix asphalt lot. All cores should be drilled with a water-cooled, diamond-tipped masonry drill bit that produces 6-inch nominal diameter cores for the full depth of the pavement without damaging it. For testing air voids in thickness, the lab will use 5 6-inch diameter cores taken from each lot in random locations and at least one from each travel lane. Air void core samples should include the full depth of the course. If thickness acceptance testing is also requested, the air void cores should be drilled for the full depth of pavement. After extracting the cores, the lab should remove all water from the holes and refill the holes with cold patching material in maximum lifts of 4 inches and compact each lift. Instead of cold patch, HMA can also be used to fill the holes. In this case, apply an even coat of tack coat to the sides of the hole and place the HMA in maximum lifts of 4 inches and compact each lift. The final surface should be 1/4 of an inch above the surrounding pavement. Cores from test strip lots and the first traveled way lot will be transported to the testing laboratory within 48 hours of completing the lot. All other acceptance cores should be delivered within 7 days. All core samples must be transported using a tamper-proof box. Each sample should be marked with its assigned core number and placed into the sample box. The lab must ensure that the sample box can be locked and sealed and cannot be opened without removing the seals. The sample box should also protect the cores from being disturbed or damaged during transit. The locked and sealed sample box should then be transported to the testing laboratory. If the box shows any signs of tampering or if the core samples are damaged, the samples must be rejected and replaced. Replacement cores should be drilled at the same offset and within 5 feet of the original station and delivered to the laboratory within 48 hours. If the contractor is using quality control cores, the lab should provide the results to the contractor in a timely manner, which does not impede construction. To learn more about the other changes made in the 2019 update, be sure to check out the other 2 videos in this series. For more resources and information on the updated special provisions, you can visit the NJDOT Local Aid Resource Center or the NJDOT website.